What's up, everyone? Casual Paul here, and welcome back to the channel. So we got a little project going on right here. I wasn't gonna put it on the channel, but I decided to. Let me show you guys a little effect real quick that I just saw. Ooh, haunted. No, just messing. Hey guys, it's a black and mild. But yeah, I was recording. I took a drag out of black and mild, and I saw that. I was like, oh, cool effect. But anyway, this is gonna be the another build on my channel. Well, whatever parts I put in, it was a last minute thing. I ran inside, grabbed my camera. I should have recorded way more when I started taking everything apart, but I did it. I'm gonna rebuild this. It's a Chevy 350. It's been done before, but I think it spun a bearing, so now I'm gonna redo it. And surprise, that turbo that I got, I might go in this, guys. I might put that turbo in here, make some kind of turbo 350 C10. But yeah, it's kind of beat up, but that's perfect. So that's it, guys. I just wanted to bring you guys along for this little build. I'm gonna pull this out and I'll bring you guys back when it's all the way out. So we're almost there. We're messing around with this header, and because it's not clearing right there, guys. But as soon as we get this out, we're pulling it, and then I'll show you when it's in the garage. Here it is, guys. It's out. The beast is out. Alright. So, next is I'm going to pull the transmission off. Probably get it on a stand and go through it and see what kind of mess we get into. Check out my hands. I'm always worried about them when I'm building Hot Wheels, but check out my nails now. No. So we got this beast out last night, and today we're taking it apart, dismantling it. I got my buddy over here helping me today. So yeah. Look at that. There's factory air on this motor. So this is it. Like I said, this motor has been rebuilt before. Look at the clean paint under all that stuff right there. But we're gonna go through everything, tranny, go through the block, everything, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and dismantle this, since I don't have nothing to hold the camera up and put it like on a time lapse or anything. We're just gonna start, and I'll bring you back when we're midway through and see what it looks like. So a couple of the bearings were completely messed up. We started taking everything out. I think we're gonna pull the heads, everything, and just get it bare again. So see how the pistons and how the rods are for condition, and then we'll go from there. So this is basically our halfway point right now. I'll bring you guys back when all that's off. So you guys want to see some chewed up rod bearings? Check out all that junk in there. That is chewed up rod bearings, guys. I think what happened was the head gasket gave out or leaked, dumped all the antifreeze into the oil, and that was it. That's all she wrote. So yeah, that was the thing that happened when I emptied this. All antifreeze came out of it. So either way, it's gonna come apart and we're gonna rebuild it, but we'll see you guys soon. So welcome back to the dirty garage, guys, where we made a mess of this garage, and I have parts and tools everywhere. Well, good news, guys, and bad news, okay? So we're pulling this engine apart to get rebuilt and go through every single little thing on this motor. We find out it's from a 73 Corvette. Corvette motor, has the 202 valves on here on the heads. Good heads. You know, produce 250 horsepower, which is pretty good for, you know, for that year. So we're getting through it. I'm excited. I was like, Corvette motor, you know, we ran the numbers, everything, and yep, 73 Corvette. Excited. So we're getting through it, tearing it apart, guys. Today we started pulling pistons. And check this out. You know, like I said, my garage is a mess, okay? But don't mind the mess, okay? So I have my little makeshift box here, you know, with my pistons, all my bolts for my heads, everything, you know, the studs, everything ready to go. And I'm checking out the, you know, the cylinders and everything, making sure everything's okay. But let me get you guys in here real quick and see if I can find it. Alright. So, here we go. Let's try to zoom in here. Wrong one. Alright. Yeah, he's going to give me some light. Let's see if I can get in here and zoom this thing real quick. There it is, guys. We got a cracked cylinder wall right there. That's why this thing was full of antifreeze. Right there, you guys see that big old crack? I mean, there's no hiding it. So, it's done. It's done. Let me get back here. Okay. It's done. So, guys, the project's not over yet. I'm going to try to find another block. We're going to use these heads right here. Like I said, I got to pick up all my mess, clean up my garage, pull the transmission off still. And we're going to find another block. And we're going to go through that, rebuild that. So, you know, or even if it's running, we'll just go through it, put whatever we can in there, and try to get a little bit more power out of it, guys. So, sorry this is such a short video, you know, but I wanted to update you guys and everything. So, my garage is a disaster for the past 2 days that we've been doing this, and damn, it's crazy. So, we got antifreeze everywhere, and I'm going to clean up, guys. I got to clean all this up and go from there. But stay tuned, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, share the channel, hit that notification, the bell, all that stuff. And I'm already at 1,000 subscribers, so we're trying to get a little bit more. We're trying to get the watch time in really good. That will really help the channel because we can get monetized, and that's going to help. So yeah, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. Like I said, sorry this is so short, but I'm Casual Paul. We'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.